Yo, Zuck, if you ever see this, just know when I see you, I'ma beat your
F you, Zuckerberg. F you.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Will. I know my IG's been deleted and I haven't been posting any content. Apologize for that. Just know I'm finna drop some sauce in this video, so make sure to watch this to the end. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rivera, and in this channel we talk about making money online without having to touch a product, ship a product, or even see the product, but we're still selling products using Shopify Dropshipping and Amazon FBA. So if you're into making money, if you're into making money from home without investing a lot of time into it, a lot of money into it, this is a channel for you. So make sure you subscribe to keep up with the content that we're going to be posting weekly. Now, to address the IG deletion, guys, literally I got deleted for impersonating someone else, which I don't know how that happened because that's literally my personal account. So I think what happened was, because I'm spending so much on Facebook ads, if you don't know, I'm spending around $10,000 a day right now in Facebook ads. I slowed it down because my IG got deleted, but I'm spending around that much money a day in Facebook ads to my brand. And because I was spending so much, I was literally gaining around 40,000 followers on IG every single month, right? And I think because I was getting so many new eyes on my profile, obviously, the more eyes you get, the more haters you get. And someone reported my account for that bullshit reason. IG ended up deleting my account, and I've been going back and forth with them trying to get it back. And for some reason, they just make it so hard to get my account back, even though I am me, right? I'm William Rivera. I'm not impersonating anyone. But now to get into this video, okay, I'm literally going to show you guys, because I feel bad that I haven't been posting content, I'm going to show you guys how to instantly increase the credibility on your online store like this, okay? I'm going to show you an app that I've been using for over 3 years, and I think is one of the most underrated apps on the Shopify App Store, okay? So if you're looking to increase the credibility on your store, if you're looking to increase the social proof on your store, even if you haven't sold one single product on your store yet, even if you have 0 reviews on your store, this right here is going to help you out, okay? So I'm about to hop on my computer, show you the app, show you how to use it, and show you why you need it. So let's get right to it. All right, guys, so the app we're going to be talking about today is Loox. Now, Loox is the top review app on the Shopify store, and it's the top app for a good reason, okay? I've been using Loox for over 3 years now, and not only is it very customizable, but it allows us dropshippers who have no reviews, have no credibility at all in the beginning. It allows us to take the reviews from AliExpress and import them into our store. So then you have instant credibility, because AliExpress, more likely than not, AliExpress already has thousands of reviews for the product that you're trying to sell. So I'm going to show you what Loox looks like on these different brand sites, and I'm going to show you why it's so powerful. So as you can see, Loox is partnered with a bunch of top companies like North Face, BlendJet, and that's one of the examples I'm going to use as well, Happy Way, and all these brands. And they're just a great company, and I highly recommend you use their app, guys, because you're about to see how dope it makes your site look. So I'm on the BlendJet website right here. So I'm going to click on the product page for this product, and if you scroll down, you'll see how they've integrated Loox to add social proof to their website. So boom, this is what Loox looks like. As you can see, it says 16,000 reviews, and it lets customers upload these reviews with pictures, which just adds so much credibility to your website, because people want to see other people using your products, using your service, whatever it is you offer. It's more genuine and authentic when you show other people that have purchased your product and them using your product. So Loox allows you to deliver that experience and have that credibility on your store with this smooth design that they have. And I've also pulled up other sites. So this is a site or brand called Buff City Soap, and they're using Loox as well. And as you can see, the stars are the same color that they use for their branding. So you can edit the colors and really make it, match with the branding that you have on your site. Now, this is another brand right here, Jungalow, and I pulled up a random product that they have on their site, which is this pillow. And if you scroll down, you can see how they've crafted their Loox design to fit with their branding as well. So, you can see how powerful Loox can be. And it's even more powerful when it comes to drop shippers because, let's just go to a random AliExpress product. So I'll just click on, for example, this necklace. Let's say we did our research and we know that this butterfly necklace is a good product to sell, right? We know that it's trending. We know that people want it. It's in demand. So we import it into our dropshipping store, right? Now we have 0 reviews of this product because it's our first time selling it. We haven't got any new customers yet. But here on AliExpress, this product has over 1,000 reviews because it's gotten over 6,000 orders. So if you go to the reviews on AliExpress, you can see that customers have said good things about this product, and customers are submitting pictures of them using the product, right? Or them wearing the product. Loox will actually allow you to scrape all of these reviews on this AliExpress listing and put them right under your product page, displayed just like this, right? And guys, like I said, this adds tremendous credibility to your store because now you're going from a store with 0 reviews to a store with thousands of reviews. So now you look like a big brand, and now people trust your store more than they did if you had 0 reviews. There's actually statistics out there of showing that people won't buy from sites that don't have any reviews, and it's because they lack credibility, right? People are accustomed to buying things with reviews. Some people even check the reviews before buying things, right? So Loox is very important to have on your site. Highly recommend you use them. I'm going to include a link in the description that's going to take you straight to the Shopify App Store to download the app on your store. They do have a free trial. After that, we can go to the pricing and see how much it is a month. So after that, it's going to be around $10 a month. This is the base. I have the basic plan. If you get the advanced, you can do more things with it, and you'll have more integrations and stuff like that. The $60 plan lets you remove the Loox branding, and you can add your logo, so it just looks more legit. But definitely try out Loox and see what it does to your conversion rate. Let me know in the comment section if you already use Loox. If you prefer another review app, let me know in the comment section down below. Or if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I answer every single comment. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm really trying to grow this, so help me out here. And if you have any video suggestions, you can let me know in the comment section down below as well. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Peace.